In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check uploaded files in Google Drive. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, click My Drive in the left sidebar to view all the files and folders you have created or uploaded. Next, click the Recent tab in the left sidebar. This section shows files you have recently uploaded or opened, and they are sorted by date so you can quickly identify the latest uploads. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page. Click the Search in Drive bar, type folders, and press Enter to filter out folders and display only individual files. After that, go back to the Recent tab again to continue checking your latest uploads. Below the search bar, use the filter options such as Type, People, or Modified to narrow down your uploaded files by file category, owner, or the date they were last changed. Another quick way to confirm uploads is to watch for the File Upload Complete notification that appears in the bottom right corner of the screen immediately after you upload a file. You can also check the activity history of your files while you are inside My Drive. Look at the top right corner and click the activity icon that looks like the letter I inside a circle. This will open a side panel on the right side of the screen. In the side panel, click the Activity tab to see a timeline of actions showing when files were uploaded, edited, or moved in your Google Drive. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.